Timore Kisumu nyakwara Ramogi ni aputa mar jod bura ma ochung' ne weche mag ohala oyango ni chenro mar ohala mar Special Economic Zone manitiere Naivasha dwaro omenda maromo siling bilion 4.5 eka mondo chak tich. Yangore ni atamalo 75 mag lope manitie apaya ma Maimaiu kadhi Narok ne ochiw ne joket mwandu 5 ma ok jopachoka maloso mwandu mopogore opogore. Apudno yango ni dongruok dhi mos e lo maromo eka 100 manochiw ne joket mwandu go. Kalore gi jakom mar apudno James Gakuya, nok mar omenda koa kuom piny owacho e chenro no mane ochaki e higa mar 2018 ne oduoko piny weche mag dongo kembe go.
It's really coming up very well, and they are giving us up to 30th of this month. The power also is, the substation there is coming very well. I think by July, really people should be able to use it. So there is quite some successes going on. I wish they were faster than that. I think what I'm really talking about is, it is my responsibility to accelerate the things that are being done to make sure that come September, October, this place will look like an industrial.
We need serious funding where the funding are purely GOK. We are not expecting any donor money here. This is purely GOK, and therefore commitment for funds are inevitable. And we hope that in fact now that the cycle for budget is almost over, we requested for this funding, but somehow we have not seen any indication on that particular promise that actually the funding will be provided as requested by the Special Economic Zone. The requirement was 4.5 billion so that we can be able to complete everything here. This is including, because road infrastructure, we have it all the way here, but we don't have any single funding for what we call inside park roads, then access road to various manufacturers within the park.
When we start the next financial year, out of the 4.5 billion, because we need to fast track these projects, then almost half of what is required should be funded in this financial year coming, and the last bit should come after the next financial year, so that in about 2-3 years, we can talk about an industrialized Kenya. We can talk about job creation that will have happened, because the president is very keen as well in getting Kenyans employed. We in our constituencies are very keen to get our youth get into employment, because that is a big headache that we have.